Yes, today we'll be fixing a itel p40 Lite. This phone came in with the owner and he reported this problem that I'm going to show you here. Let me put back the LCD and the flex and the charging flex back. Put back the battery. Put back the battery. The phone came in with this problem. You see, it's turning on, but it is not putting up to the launcher. It is not launching. So I've already opened it, so I'm going to look at the problem here. Let me remove the battery, remove the LCD.